Hey Ken, this is my GoPro Hero 8 test. I'm using the media mod. Video is set to 2.7K. View to linear. I'm 24 inches from my nose with a lavalier. And this is what it sounds like just using the media mod microphone with a lavalier. The media mod microphone. And this is the Hero 9 with no media mod. I'm about 2 feet from it, but now we can see the display, so it's much easier to see where I'm positioned on the screen. One thing you'll notice is that the display is really bleached out, so this could be an issue as to what the display will look like. One thing you'll notice is that the display is really bleached out. One thing you'll notice is that the display is really bleached out.